financial management. She has served in senior leadership roles, including as financial manager for Qatar and Bahrain, where she led cross-border financial operations and corporate strategies. She is a licensed CPA, CMA, FMBA, and holds an MBA in strategic leadership and corporate finance. Currently, she leads forward-thinking initiatives as an AI project team leader in a government institution, where she is currently serving as cost analyst and where she helps drive innovation and ethical integration of technology. In 2024, she made a bold transition from corporate life to entrepreneurship before joining a government finance coordination unit, expanding her influence through real estate investments, business ventures, and government service. She is a firm believer in long-time learning, continuously growing while staying grounded in her purpose. Her journey is a living testament to the power of embracing change, redefining one's path, and aligning professional success with personal conviction. She has since expanded into real estate investment, public speaking, and mentorship, a champion of lifelong learning. She continuously evolves to meet the demands of a changing world while remaining deeply rooted in her faith. She firmly believes that our relationship with our Creator is central to our mental health, emotional resilience, and overall well-being. Her message resonates deeply with those seeking meaning beyond titles and achievements, those ready to embrace growth, balance, and faith-driven purpose. She is an entrepreneur. She is a CPA licensure exam coach in Qatar, and she is a managing partner of Gold Vinopay Accounting and Information Systems and Services. Please welcome our speaker for tonight, Ms. Abigail Naco Medina.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. That's very, parang hindi ako, para, total, gusto mo kayo? May